singing their hearts out. Meet the Somali pop group causing waves in Kenya and beyond. Wayaha Usub, or New Era, is a group of refugee Somali youth brought together by Allah for their country. Its problems, inspiration for their songs.
What brings us together is to bring peace to our country, and also to tell other Somalis that, they have this kind of hatred between themselves, and they have this kind of clan separation. If we show that other Somalis, we are from different clans, and we are from different places, and we are still together, and we can understand each other, why can't they do?
Here they record a music video highlighting the ills facing Somalia's youth. Using music and lyrics creatively, they have built up a powerful following. Slee suburbs in Nairobi, their base is home to large numbers of Somalis. It is even known as Little Mogadishu. This is a group of young men and women trying to use music to break barriers and also promote freedom of expression. They are mostly in their 20s and have lived here as refugees for more than a decade. Their mission is to create awareness about Somalia, their country, and also reach out to the youth, hip-hop style. The group never shies away from controversy. They sing about serious issues like AIDS to a highly conservative community. They also criticize Somalia's leadership for sacrificing the people in their quest for power. But the group's efforts have not been without success. Mahmoud Arabe was inspired by their music to abandon life as a fighter in Mogadishu just 2 months ago. Now he is singing and rapping with them.
When I listened to the band's music, I was convinced that I didn't belong to the battlefields. I decided to come out here and join them spread the message.
Hello, microphone check out, 1 2 1 2, hello.
And so for now, Wayaha Usub continues to sing and rap their songs of hope and caution to Somalis, hopeful of an opportunity to perform in a peaceful Somalia one day. Mohamed Ado, Al Jazeera, Nairobi, Kenya.